In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use Airtable in make.com. So meanwhile you are registering your account, it does ask you which of these popular apps you are planning to use in your automations. Make sure you select Airtable from here, and that is literally it. So once you select that, let's just say I want to select Google Sheets, Gmail, and maybe we can go with our GPT and click on continue. So once you select these, simply enter in here what do you want to automate with make. I'm going to be typing in here, let's just say I want to generate social media posts for my Instagram. Simply click on get started, or you can see I can also specify about tech. Click on get started and you're almost good to go. It is going to be doing its magic and it is now building our tool. So that's how you can use Airtable in make.com, and I hope it is going to be helping you guys out. Just wait and watch now. See you guys in the next video.